G7000C Manual and Automatic Dual Mode TIG Argon Welding Machine User's Manual. G7000C is a welding machine that can weld the steel rules easily without damaging the cut edges. G7000C Installation Instruction. Choose a location and affix the machine to the floor. Connect the air hose to the air compressor coupling. Connect a transformer to the machine. You must have a separate circuit breaker for the transformer or welding machine. Connect the argon gas valve in the right order. Connect the gauge to the argon gas tank. Connect the TIG inverter welding machine's hose to the gauge. Open the main valve and then open the auxiliary valve. The pressure on the gauge should be at or below 10 milliliters. If the power lamp is lit, then all the connections are in order. G7000C Preparations for Welding. Select the right welding jigs for the steel rule to be welded. Assemble the tungsten rod to the welding torch. Use the spacer jig. Protruded length of the tungsten rod should be about 6 millimeters. Check the size, thickness, and angle of the steel rule. Place the rule to the middle of the welding jig and activate the stabilizing bars to immobilize the rule in place. The tip of the tungsten rod should only be 1 to 1.5 millimeters away from the surface of the steel rule to be welded. Turn the left-right dial to move the tip of the tungsten rod to the center of the to-be-welded line. G7000C Manual Welding Instruction. The starting point for the welding should generally be set at 2 to 3 millimeters from the cut edge of the steel rule. However, it should be adjusted to